you came back to see me. Interesting. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be doing this copper eye look. I hope you guys find it steppy-full of steps to help you achieve this look. That's my goal. If you have any more questions or want to see a different look, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm only at 50. I got to 50. Super proud of myself. Like, pat on the back, Jessica. So please keep subscribing, like, comment, tell me what you want to see. I want to know so I can come up with videos because sometimes I'm not creative, but that's okay. My mom still loves me. These lights are hot as shit, so let's get started. I'm gonna go in and put some white base on my eyes first. Set it with powder. We are mainly using the Jaclyn Hill palette today, but we're gonna throw in some Juvias Place Masquerade palette also. So first we're gonna go in with a transition color with my regular E40 Sigma brush. I'm using the shade Silk Cream first. Next I'm going in with Creamscicle, and we're going to do the same thing and blend it in with the crease all over. It's okay if we get a little bit messy because we're part of the makeup wipe club and we're going to wipe away all the excess. Next I'm going to go in with our first orange shade out of the Masquerade palette. Don't mind my messy palette. This is the only one that has come to find my 3-year-olds and they destroyed it. But we're gonna go in with Cario. I hope I'm saying that right. And this one we're gonna start putting more so onto the lid, but still in the crease. Then go back in with your E40 and blend it out. We're gonna go in with our Sigma E45 small tapered blending brush. And now we're gonna do the dark shades. We're gonna go in back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and go into Central Park and do those on the inner and outer corner only. Go back in and blend it out. Now to bring some of the red back in, we're going to go back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and use the color Jacz. And back with your Sigma E40, we're going to go back into Silk Cream and Creamscicle and like mix the two together and blend it out. And now we're going to darken the corner even more, but we're only going to stay on the outer corner of the eyes and go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette Abyss. To blend it out, we're going to go back and use our already used R39 Morphe brush. Now we're going to go back a tiny bit with the white concealer in the middle of the eye to brighten it up so the shimmer shadows stand out more. Now we're going to take our E55 flat shading brush that really pack it on, and I'm going to take whatever setting powder you have. I'm going to use MAC Fix Plus and to damp the brush a little bit, and then go into 24/7 in the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm just going to do this on the outer and inner corner because we're going to put a different shade in the center. I'm going to wipe off the excess onto a towel and spray it again and go in with our lighter color, which is Queen. And I'm just going to put that on the center of the lid. Gonna lightly buff it in just to blend it a little bit with the E40. Not too hard though, just very, very lightly, just to blend the edges together. Now let's makeup wipe it. If you want to get that cool line without actually doing the line with concealer, you just go from your bottom waterline and go up. You guys are clearly here for an eye tutorial, so you don't need to see my boring foundation routine, but we tried to cover up the ugly Bermuda Triangle of acne I have going on. But now we're going to do the lower lid. We're going to go in with a fluffier eye pencil brush, the R41 in Morphe, and go back in with Creamscicle. And this is going to go on your lower lid. Next we're going to do eyeliner. I'm using the Modster Ardency in1. It's my absolute favorite. It does not budge. It stays all day through everything. And then after you do your waterline, you're going to go in and start smudging it underneath your lashes. And it's okay if it's not perfect because we're going to take a brush to blend it out. I'm going to go in with this Crown blending brush. It doesn't have a name or a number, it's just a small packed, so it looks like a flat packer brush. I got it in a BoxyCharm, and we're going to blend out the black eyeliner. Obviously, if you don't want this too dark, you can totally skip that last step and just buff it in with the black eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with the black eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Abyss, to set it in place. Next, we're going to go back in with the same brush we used the Creamscicle in, and we're going to go in with the brown Central Park to blend it together. Next, I'm going to put on my lashes and mascara, and we'll take a look at the final product. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope my deathly white skin doesn't scare you away and you keep coming back for more. Stay with me. I live to serve you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.